Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we're going to be making shrimp and grits, so let's get into the video. So for this recipe, you're going to need your salt, water, grits, 2 types of butter, unsalted and garlic butter, shrimp, your seasoning mix as well as fresh thyme, bell peppers and onions as well as tomato that I took the core out of. We're just going to season our shrimp. As always, the ingredients will be down below. I didn't use all of my seasoning mixture. I had about 15 jumbo shrimp and I used about 90% of it. But you can season your shrimp as little or as much as you like. I'm just gonna make sure that I work that seasoning in there. And you can also add some lemon juice if you like. Just a little bit more seasoning for good measure. I'm just gonna melt some of my garlic butter so that I can cook my shrimp. I'm gonna be cooking them on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Please do not overcook your shrimp because they will be rubbery. If anything, you want to undercook them at this point because we will be adding them back in the pot to cook a little bit more with the veggies. Now I'm just going to add the rest of the garlic butter as well as the herbs, and you can add a little bit more of your seasoning mixture if you want and just let them cook for a little bit. Once they're done cooking for a minute or two, you're gonna add your shrimp back in and just let it steam on low. Now it's time to cook our grits. So this will be super quick and easy. Once you add your water, you're gonna add your salt and butter and bring that to a boil. Then you're going to add in the grits. And I like my grits on the thick side, so the measurements will be down below how much water I use to the ratio of grits. But if you like your grits a little bit more runny, then I would suggest adding more water. And turn the heat down to medium-low. And you're just gonna let the grits cook for, I wanna say 5 minutes or until done. That's it. After your shrimp has been steaming for a few minutes, it will be all done. I paired this meal with some fresh pear, aka avocado. I garnished with scallions and fresh cheddar cheese. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe, please let me know if you try it out. Also let me know. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!